Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how to make your own noodles without flour, natural, tasty and very quick. For the ingredients, I take 4 large eggs. The thing is, you can put only the egg white when you want to make it more fluffy, because this recipe you can make not only noodles, you can use it also for wraps or for pancakes or crabs. So it's up to how fluffy you want to make it. If you want to make it more fluffy, you have to put more egg white. But me, I put the whole 4 eggs because today we only make the noodles. So we put the 4 eggs and then I put a piece of salt, and then I have here a gelatin powder. It's unflavored. You can use also with a beef. There is a beef, I think, beef flavor,
yeah,
or something else. You know, you take 2 tablespoons of that powder and then mix it together, you know. And then what I do at next, I will mix it so we have to see. So until everything is mixed, because you have a powder, you have the egg, and so, and then you have a dough, you know. So everything is mixed now, and then now we make the pan hot. The thing is, I don't want to make it too high, so we start little. Yes, and then I use shea butter, you know, to make it great, you know.
they can use any butter.
Yeah, you can use any butter, oil, whatever you want. But the shea butter, it have chia. Sorry, chia.
G.
The chia. No, chi. It's a chi, you know. Butter have a own taste. You can use it for baking, for cooking, for, you know. Free of cholesterol, and you know, it's very healthy also. You see? So I put that here and then make it a little bit higher. Because I don't want it too hot, you know. But for the first time you can make it hot like that, full, and then go down, because I don't want it too dark, you know. It's only for normal baking, not too much. Like a pancake, you know. You see the pancake, it will get little color, not too dark. So, and then you have the dough here, and then you put a little like that. So So I already put the other side. The problem was it was too high. You don't need it too high from the temperature, because a lower temperature is also okay. Because only like that you and the problem I do is I have shake it too long. So you have here, you see this, but still it's okay because we want to cut it later, you know. So I put it from the other side, you know. See this? Still good. What we want to do is it's like a pancake. I mean, you can use it for many things. So when the first one is already finished, so you put again the butter, and then put a new it's also up to how many noodles you want to. You will see for 2 people it's enough. If you want to make for more people, of course, then you take the double of the ingredients, you know. So, very important, you have to take a pan what is not sticky, you know. We put a little oil, but the pan must be like that, you know, so you will not have problems. I mean, you can put any pan, but the problem will be if it's sticky, you cannot put it out very good, you know, it will have problems, you know. So the other one, I make a little bit thicker, you see here, and this one is a little bit more slim, you know. Because we only want to cut it later and make a noodles, you know. So I get out 3 pieces because the first one I make a little bit more thicker. Normally you have 4 pieces, but it's okay. So now, and I have to wait, you have to wait until it is cold, you know. So it is more better because now all of that you have to roll. Okay. And then you have to cut it how you want it, you know. So I take it, and you have to take a very sharp knife so that it works, you know. I make it like that because we don't need to, but I show you, you see. I think more like this. But for us, it's not a problem. You make it very, you can cut it very thin or a little bit more, you know. I will make both, so you will see later. You don't have to make it perfect, you know.
Yeah.
Important is that you don't cut
Your fingers.
your fingers or your hand or whatever, you know.
Be careful.
So, you see that?
Down.
And then now I will show you.
It's like spaghetti noodles.
You see, you have a noodles now.
Fettuccine.
The consistation, how you say consistation?
Consistent.
It's very good. You know, here you have it slimmer, you know, but for us,
This is enough.
this is enough because we are only 2 person here, and we will make our own sauce.
Yeah.
You know, you can make your meat sauce, your bolognese, or we will make our own carbonara sauce. And with that, we will make an extra video. You can see our carbonara sauce. So I hope you get the inspiration of my cooking noodles and hope you will like it. And see you in our next video. Bye bye.